All right, y'all. So this is a homework question out of 2.7. This is question number 5. And it says two functions f and g are related by the equation. And I'm just going to write this down again, y'all. I know it's there, but I'm going to go ahead and write it down again. And it tells me that g of x is equal to f of x plus 2 minus 1. And it says use the numerical representation of f to make one of g. So y'all, I know that they already have a table for us. I'm going to go ahead and write my own table here, okay? And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. So look, y'all, right here, I'm going to write g of x equals f of x plus 2 minus 1. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do here, y'all, I'm going to look at this x plus 2. And I want y'all to notice that that plus 2 is inside my parentheses, right? So guys, what I did is I came to my notes from 2.7, or I actually got this from the study guide. And I want you to notice right here, y'all. Do you see how we have a plus c inside? That means that we're going to be moving to the left, and we're going to be subtracting that number c from the x values. So y'all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to each of these x values that I have right here, and I'm going to go ahead and subtract 2 from each of them, okay? Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So 1 minus 2 is a negative 1. 3 minus 2 is a positive 1. 5 minus 2 is a 3. 7 minus 2 is a 5. 9 minus 2 is a 7. And 11 minus 2 is a 9, okay? And I know what you might be thinking. You might be saying, but look, Omar, it says a plus 2. I agree it says a plus 2. But I want you to notice, y'all, when it says a plus 2 on the inside, we actually subtract that number from the x values, okay? All right, the next thing I want y'all to notice is, y'all, we have a minus 1, and that minus 1 is on the outside of my parentheses. So I'm going to come back again to my study guide, and if we have a minus c on the outside, we're going to subtract that number from the y values. So, y'all, I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to subtract 1 from each of those y values. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 4 minus 1 is 3, 5 minus 1 is 4, 6 minus 1 is 5, 7 minus 1 is 6, and 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, so y'all, I wrote my own table out. I know they gave us a table there, but I wrote out my own table. Now, I'm going to look at their table. So let me come back over here, y'all. And let me look at the table that they have. Their table is right here. And I want you to notice, they're starting off when x is 1, x is 3, x is 5, x is 7, x is 9. Y'all, if you take a look here, x is 1, x is 3, x is 5, x is 7, x is 9. All we're going to do is enter in our y values. So I'm going to put a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and a 9 right there. And that should allow me to get my answer, okay? If y'all have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help.